case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2004, the Court of Appeals of Maryland heard the case Triggs v. State, which focused on the question of whether multiple sentences may be imposed for an offense based on the legislative intent when creating the law. The case involved David Triggs, who was convicted for making threatening calls to his ex-wife, Pamela Triggs, violating a protective order and harassing her and their children. The protective order prohibited any contact between the two, but Triggs threatened to rape and murder Pamela and their 3 children during a 4-day period. This behavior was part of a long history of domestic abuse that included holding electric hedge clippers to Pamela's throat, pointing a gun to her head, firing a gun at her, and raping her 4 times. The Court of Appeals examined whether the lower court was correct in imposing 18 separate 1-year sentences for each of Triggs' offenses, or whether the offenses should have been merged into a single course of conduct. The court held that the lower court hadn't erred in imposing multiple 1-year sentences for the defendant's 18 convictions for violating a protective order, as the Maryland domestic violence statute treated each act of domestic violence as a separate, punishable offense. The defendant was convicted of 18 distinct offenses and received authorized sentences.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.